and see if by putting this product on my car and lighting my hood on fire or my car on fire in its entirety, if we can still protect the paint. What is up, what is up, what is up, Lambros? I'm Steve Currington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve, and today I'm cruising down 169 just in time to get the radar and not get pulled over, but someone else did. And I love getting that chirp chirp warning that there is a policeman running radar. And what's funny is he was in the far right lane, and this car was in the fast lane, didn't see him, and literally just passed him. Ha! So if you get a little K40 radar in your car, even if it's the one on the dash, you might get warned about that. But today, back in Tulsa, the Lambo's back in Tulsa. I'm actually headed north to Wausau, Oklahoma, and in Wausau, I've got some real estate agents that I meet with. If you don't know, I do home loans for a living to pay for my car habits and my YouTube channel, which doesn't make any money. So get up there and close some deals, hang out with some good folks that I do business with, Rob Hopper and his team, and then we're heading back to White Glove today because they have ordered new tires. We're going to do a full detail, and we're going to do ceramic coating on the wheels, because since I powder coated them gold, we haven't done ceramic coating. And then we've got some other things in the works. I've probably alluded to it before. We're going to do a new wrap, but before we do a new wrap, we've got a plan to, don't freak out, but we might actually set the Lamborghini on fire. So stay tuned for that. It'll be coming soon, but I'll be back later today with a little visit to White Glove, and we'll get to check out what's inside their shop today. Okay, we have arrived. I'm at White Glove Automotive. I'm dropping my car off. It is sitting right there. As you can see, it's already dark. I was supposed to be here like hours ago, but you know, I actually have a job, people. So, but while I'm here, pretty cool Mercedes C63S, right, Myron?
Yes.
And I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm kind of indifferent about the Mercedes, but I think they're doing a little expel on this one. There's some guy in his Rubicon Jeep, Dan over here, doing the clear brawl all over the front of that. And then out back we got a McLaren. It's a 650S or GT? No, 570. A 570.
No, it is 650.
Oh, it is a 650.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can sneak out there and see it. It's out back. Come on, follow me. Here we go. There's a door over here. We'll go through the back way. I think we've seen this one before. I'm sure we have. Can you see that? You can't really see it, but it's like a dark gray. I want to check it out in the light, but oh, maybe we should lock this back. But the cool thing is I have merch. Now I only have hats at this point because that's what's been requested. I'm still working on shirts, but I did give Myron some merch to display in here. Look at that. Look at that. Merchandise. Okay, we're back with non-royalty free music. So I'll throw some background music, but I realize I'm here and they've got the music jamming, Ultra Dance 15, and YouTube doesn't like that, so I had to kill it. But I wanted to show you guys they call this the Black View dash cam. This is the upgrade that we're gonna do for the Lambo. Well, let's see if we can get a video of the Black View. I got a how-to on here, bro. Dash cams. Are we getting the DR900S 2-channel 4K?
Yes, it's the front and rear.
Oh, it does front and rear?
Yeah.
So it'll face me? So it'll face me and the road?
I can make it face you. It's actually meant to look out your back window, but I can make the back one look at you.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Now look guys, if you buy this on here, what do we talk about this, Myron? It's like 539 bucks or something.
Yep.
But Myron's gonna sell it. Oh, it's $499 to $610. I think with the right Let's see, memory capacity. If you do 128, it's six.
Like a memory card.
Yeah, if you do like, let's say 64, it's 542 bucks. Myron's taking, I think we figured it was like 11, 12 something % off. It's like 475 bucks. I don't know. You have to call him. He'll hook you up. But I just found this out. This thing goes front and back. I mean, it's got, you can have one right facing out the back and the front, and then you can, look at that. It's got 2 separate cameras, which is pretty hot. But if you want, like, go to Blackview and buy it and pay more, or call Myron, because that's what he does. And then before we go, I must show you a classic vehicle. Now, you're gonna be surprised when I show you this, because it actually has ABS brakes. It's called a Firebird, folks. You see that? It has an anti-lock braking system, okay? Now, I know this is impressive to a lot of you, and you're wondering, what does that mean? You're just gonna have to Google it. You have to Google it, because a lot of people don't realize it, Myron, but those Firebirds, they came with an anti-lock braking system. New technology. I also have it in my Lambo. It's pretty cool. Later. Okay, I'm here with Myron, and wanted Myron to give you a proper sell on what this camera does. So Myron, tell me benefits of this. Or what?
Benefits of this camera system right here, the Blackview. It's got front and rear dash cam, so not only does it record out the front, but it does record out the back as well. And you can also view live footage from your phone, change all your settings from your phone. We can set it to where it records while the car's off.
Oh my God. It's like a security camera.
Can be a security camera, yep.
It's front and back, and it, like, so you can rear face it to your face, or we can put it basically where it's out the back window looking at the engine.
Exactly.
That's pretty sweet. I like it. I think we get that camera set up, and then it's set up first, then we light the Lambo on fire, because that's what's going to happen next. Now, show of thumbs up if you're watching this, you 450 people that watch my videos. We would like to light the Lamborghini on fire in the shop, like right there. Now, I know this seems extreme, but we do have a plan. I won't go into too many details, but I would like to test a product and see if, by putting this product on my car and lighting my hood on fire or my car on fire in its entirety, if we can still protect the paint. And listen, if it doesn't protect the paint, it's okay. It's okay, because we could just duct tape it, because they have Verde Mantis duct tape now.
Dude, duct tape fixes everything.
Lamborghini duct tape, and I trust Myron, and he said, dude, I can light your Lambo on fire and it still be okay.
Yep.
And I figure after the last shop didn't bolt the pieces back on and they flew off at 175 miles an hour, what do I have to lose?
Yeah.
I'll be here for the fire. So stay tuned, because I think the car's back in town, so I think very soon we will be shooting a video where you will see my car burning inside a building but not dying. Alrighty, my people, that is it. We are leaving White Glove. We're leaving the Lambo here for them to get started on some things. We got tires coming in. We have dash cam coming. We have ceramic coat on the wheels. We have, I think we're gonna re-clear bra the whole front end. Just a lot of stuff that Myron's gonna be doing, working on the Lambo. It's back in Tulsa. It's freezing cold here. I'm definitely missing California, and I'm hoping to hit Florida for Bullfest in February, at the end of February. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you would, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, share with a friend, put me on a loop. I need lots of watched hours, and obviously if you haven't subscribed already and you like my videos, I would appreciate it if you would drop a little subscribe on there and turn on notifications. And I am working hard to get a video up about every 2 days, and so I'm going to continue to record epic content and try to share it with you. I hope you watched my donuts in front of the donut bar video. If you haven't, you can go find that in my on my channel somewhere. You can search for it. It was in Las Vegas. Donuts in front of the donut bar and then running a stop sign. So check that out. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.